Let us discuss NCERT exercise Atoms and Molecules class 9. Question number 5. We are going to discuss question number 5 of NCERT problem. Give the name of elements present in following compounds. This is quicklime, hydrogen bromide, baking powder, potassium sulfate. This is quicklime. Quicklime, that is calcium oxide. So which element is there? Calcium, and second is oxygen. Second is hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide. This is HBr. This is hydrogen, and next is bromine. Hydrogen and bromine. Third is baking powder. Baking powder. Here its formula is NaHCO3. So element would be sodium, hydrogen, and third is carbon, and fourth is oxygen. These are elements present in baking powder. Next is potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate. Its formula is K2SO4. K, that is potassium. Next is sulfur, and last one is oxygen. So these are the elements present in all these compounds. Question number 6 is calculate the molecular mass. This is C2H2. C2H2. It has two carbon plus 2 hydrogen. So mass of 2 carbon is 2 into 12 plus 2 into 1, that is equal to 24, plus 2 is equal to 26U. Next is S8. It has 8 atoms of sulfur. That means 8 into atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So we will multiply it by 32, that is equal to 256U. Next is phosphorus molecules. It has 4 atoms of phosphorus. So atomic mass of phosphorus is 31U, that is equal to 124U. HNO3 is made up of 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, and 3 oxygen. So this is 1U plus 14U. This is 14U, and 3 into 16U, that's equal to 63U. HCl, 1H plus 1 chlorine, that is equal to 1U plus chlorine. This is 35.5U. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5U. This is average atomic mass, and this is 36U. Next is find the mass. What is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom? 1 mole nitrogen atom, that is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen, and gram atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 gram. So 1 mole of nitrogen atom, that is equal to 14 gram. 4 mole of aluminium atoms. 4 mole of aluminium atoms we can calculate here. B, here number of moles is equal to 4. Molecular mass means atomic mass. This is gram atomic mass for aluminium is 27 gram. So we have to find mass. Number of mole is equal to given mass upon molecular mass or atomic mass, and we can calculate here given mass. We have to calculate. We can calculate W, that is we have to calculate mass. What is the mass? So W is equal to N into M. Now number of mole is 4. 4 into atomic mass is 27, and this is equal to 4 7 ja 28 and 4 2 ja 8 to 10, 108 gram. This is the mass of aluminium, mass of 4 mole aluminium. Now question number C, 10 mole of sodium sulfite. What is the chemical formula of sodium sulfite? Na2SO3. Now molecular mass of sodium sulfite Na2SO3, first we have to calculate 2 sodium plus 1 sulfur plus 3 oxygen. 2 sodium, that is 2 into 23 plus 1 into 32 and 3 into. So we have to calculate 10 mole of sodium sulfite Na2CO3. Molecular mass of sodium sulfite is here 2 sodium plus 1 sulfur plus 3 oxygen. You can calculate 2 into 23 plus 1 into 32 plus 3 into 16. This is 46 plus 32 plus 48. 6 to 8, 8, 16. 4, 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 12. 126 gram. This is gram atomic mass of, gram molecular mass of sodium sulfite. Gram molecular mass. Now 10 mole. So number of mole is equal to 10. And molecular mass is given 126. So the N is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. N is what? N is equal to 10, and we have to find W, and 126 given mass will be equal to given mass would be equal to 126 into 10, and that is equal to 1260, this much gram, 1260 gram. Question number 8, convert into moles. Here this is first, given mass is equal to 12 gram and oxygen gas. So we have to find molecular mass. Molecular mass is equal to 2 into 16 gram, that is equal to 32 gram. Now number of mole is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass is 12 gram upon molecular mass is 32. 4 3 ja 4 8 ja 8 3 upon 8 mole. You can calculate here point. 8 3 ja 24, 8 7 ja 56, 8 5 ja 0.375 mole. Next B. B is 20 gram H2O. 20 gram H2O. So given mass, that is 20 gram, and molecular mass H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, that is equal to 18 gram. Number of mole is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. Mass is 20 upon molecular mass is 18. 2 9s are 2 10s are, this is equal to 9 1s are 9.11 mole. This way we can calculate. Now next is 22 gram. 22 gram carbon dioxide, you can calculate here. Given mass is equal to 22 gram, and molecular mass you can calculate here 12 plus 32, that is equal to 44 gram. So number of mole is equal to given mass 22 upon molecular mass upon 44, that is N is equal to half mole or 0.5 mole CO2. So in this way we have calculated moles of all these things. We have what is the mass of 0.2 mole of oxygen atom, 0.2 mole of H2O. Here first 0.2 mole, number of mole is 0.2, molecular mass is 16 gram. So N is equal to given mass upon molecular mass, and given mass is equal to N into M. N is given 0.2 and mass is molecular mass is at 16. Then it is multiplied and this is equal to 3.2 gram. Next is 0.5 mole H2O. N is equal to 0.5 and molecular mass is 18 gram. Then it can be written as the given mass is equal to N into M. From here you can see, and number of mole is 0.5, molecular mass is 18, 18 5s are 90, 9.0 gram. Next question is, calculate the number of sulfur molecules and present in 16 gram sulfur molecules. So first of all, given mass, solution of this one, given mass how much? 16 gram. We will write this. Now we have to find molecular mass of S8. This is 8 into 32, that is equal to 256 gram. Number of mole we have to find given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass is 16 and molecular mass is 256. 16 1 ja 16 16 ja 256, 1 by 16 mole. That is equal to in point just we can calculate 16.0. 16 6 ja 96, 4 62 ja 32, 8 16 5 ja 80, 0.625 mole. This much mole will be there. So as 8 in number you can write here 0.0625 and into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sulfur molecules. You can measure it. You can do it your own. You calculate this, it will become 3.76 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of sulfur. Okay students, this is last question. Calculate the number of aluminium ion in 0.051 gram of Al2O3. Here this much gram. So given mass is 0.051 gram. Now we have to find the molecular mass of aluminium oxide Al2O3. Here is 2 aluminium plus 3 oxygen, 2 into 27 plus 3 into 16. You calculate this one, it become 102 gram. It is 102 gram. Now you calculate the number of moles of aluminium oxide first. N is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. So number of mole would be, given mass is how much? 0.051 upon molecular mass is 102. You can calculate here on 1000, 15 1 ja 15 2 ja. This is 1 by 2 into 1000. No. It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 1000. This is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. This much weight is. Now 0.5 into 10 minus 3 mole aluminium oxide, that is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium oxide. You can from 5 you can multiply 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10 1 11, and this is, and 5 6 are 30, and decimal will be 4 digit 1 2 3 4 here, into 10 to the power 20 aluminium oxide. Now we have to calculate how many aluminium ion is there. in one aluminium oxide equivalent to 2 aluminium ions. So number of aluminium ions, we have to count here number of aluminium ions. One aluminium oxide is equivalent to 2 aluminium ions. In one aluminium oxide, 2 aluminium ion is there. So this much aluminium oxide are here. 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 aluminium oxide, it will equivalent to 2 into 3.011 into 10 to the power 20 aluminium ion, and therefore it become 6.022 into 10 to the power 20 aluminium ion. So this much aluminium ion is present. So we have discussed exercise of atoms and molecules, and if you have liked this video, you will share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.